Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's been a little while that we haven't done an unboxing and case review, and here we are today presented with two cases. Now Crave is very nice to have sent out these two cases. They are going to be linked down in the description below for your convenience. Now these are the dual guard cases for the iPhone 13 Pro. So here's my iPhone 13 Pro. You can see that it has a little crack right up there around the camera lens. Thankfully it didn't touch the camera lens itself, but hey, that's what happens when you're not having a protection series case. So is this case really worth it? Is it a good fit for you? So we're gonna check it out in this video. So right in front of us, we have the forest green dual guard for the iPhone 13 Pro, as you guys can see. And then we also have that beautiful red color that we are going to pair up with the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro. So let's just set that one aside and we are going to open up the forest green case. As you guys can see, it has that ultra slim design, shock absorption, premium quality, and precise cutouts. So Crave claims it to be strong, reliable, and protective, which is exactly what we want in these cases. So let's open it up right over here. And here we are, greeted with the case. Beautiful. So we do have that little wrapper inside to preserve its shape, and straight out of the box the case does look pretty elegant. So you have that Crave branding right at the bottom, and then you also have those black accents. So as we mentioned, it is dual guard, so that pops up. Now one question that I am wondering, can you just put the case itself in? No, you can't. So you do need to have that inner lining. Very nice. And as you guys can see, we do have that power button, the side button, those two volume rockers, as well as the ring silence switch, cutouts for our lightning and speaker microphone grills, as well as the camera cutout. So let's just place it right on there. As you guys can see, it is a very snug fit, which is nice, which ensures that our phone stays nice and protected at all times. And there you go. This is the case itself. So this is how it looks with the Sierra Blue color, forest green. I do like that little, design right over here. It kind of has like a pixelated cushion design. It is hard shell, which is nice, and those black interior lining contours makes the whole case stand out. Now it claims to have those precise cutouts, and as you guys can see, those cutouts are pretty good. The side button, nice and tactile, and then the volume button, awesome, nice and tactile. Ring silence switch, as you guys can see, nice and tactile as well. Now as for the camera protection here at the back, you guys can see that the camera lenses do not protrude one tiny bit. So if you have your phone set down just like so, it is not going to be scratched up. Screen protection, again, you can see the screen lip popping out. So if you set it down and there's a little bit of sand or maybe a little really tiny pebble, it's not going to scratch up your screen. Very nice. Now what do I think about the forest green color? I mean, the Sierra Blue iPhone that I have, I think kind of throws off the beauty and color of the case itself. Now I feel like if you pair up this case with maybe the black or the white iPhone 13 Pro, it would really look good. But if you're somebody that does like green and blue, it does have that nice little two-tone display with the black, which makes everything stand out. I also do really appreciate those metallic buttons. They're nice and clicky and fun. Now as for the grip of the case, as you guys can see, it is decently grippy. The nice thing is it's hard shell, it is textured. Now many of these cases that we see are silicone, and having that hard shell and that texture but not having it silicone makes it really convenient for slipping in and out of your pockets, which is a big pro. Alright, so here we go with the red color itself. Now this is a very bright tone of red. It kind of almost looks like a coral red, a coral pink in a way. Again, that blue and red texture and so forth really accentuates and pops every single aspect of the case and the phone. So if you're somebody that likes these colors and likes a pop burst of color in your lifestyle, this would be a great case for you. Overall, it looks really nice. I do like that black on red. It matches the channel's colors. And again, cutouts look great. Buttons look great, as you guys can see. Now, one thing that happens with cases and companies sometimes is that they create and manufacture so many cases that they aren't able to keep the quality in each and every case. Now, I have 2 of the cases right over here, and I can pleasantly say that that quality that they claim it to have, durability and just texture and so forth, really is something that they stand to. There is no manufacturer defect, despite it being 2 separate pieces. So big shout out to Crave for that. And overall, I do really recommend these cases if you're somebody that is looking for some great protection, very rugged around the corners, some nice two-tone, colorful aspects in your case, but still having that slim day-to-day lifestyle case. Again, camera lenses, nice, screen protector, nice and snug. So if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Would you get a Crave case? The link, again, as I mentioned, down in the section below. Crave sent us these beautiful 2 cases for us to check out. Very appreciative to that. And if you're in the market for some Samsung cases, they also sent us out 3 pairs of cases for the S22. Now, I know these are older phones. These are just what I have on hand at the moment, but Crave does create S24 cases as well as iPhone 15 cases. So if you have the newest and the greatest tech, you will also be able to find some great accessories for it. So again, shout to Crave. Would I recommend these cases? Yes, I would. They look nice. They have that great protection, slim design. And one thing that I do like about this case is despite it having great camera protection, once you set it back down, it doesn't wobble around or tip like other cases. Anyways, it has been Alex from Techrific with these 2 cases, little unboxing, review, and first impressions. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Make sure to go check out all our socials at Techrific it is to stay up to date with the latest and greatest tech that we are trying our best to review. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.